So robot vacuums just got a massive upgrade, and if you have a larger home, this is going to be a game changer because this new Yeedi robot vacuum, it has some amazing features. The biggest one is that it charges at a lightning speed anytime the robot goes back to the station to wash the mopping roller or to empty the dustbin. So if you ever had a robot vacuum go back to the station to charge for an hour or two, finish up the cleaning task, this robot solves that issue. And also this robot has some other pretty unique features. So if you're curious, keep on watching. Before we get into it, I do want to mention that Yeedi has been an ongoing sponsor of my channel. They provided this robot for me at no cost, but I got to test it however I wanted, so these thoughts are genuinely my own. The biggest innovation here is something called advanced PowerBoost charging, and this solves the number one problem with the robot vacuums. So most robot vacuums run out of battery halfway through cleaning a large home. This robot vacuum charges in just 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. You heard it right. So it uses special Gen technology, the same fast charging tech in high-end phones, laptops, to rapidly top up the battery every single time it docks. So whether it's emptying the dustbin, refilling water, or washing the mop pads, at the same time, it's charging the robot vacuum, which means it literally never stops cleaning. It just keeps going until your entire home is done. No interruptions, no waiting around. This makes it perfect for homes over 2,000 square feet where battery life usually becomes a problem. The S20 can handle it all in one continuous cleaning session. Now, let's talk about the vacuuming power. So the S20 has 19,500 pascals of suction. That's one of the highest numbers in the entire robot vacuum market right now. But it's not just about the number. Yeedi upgraded the entire airflow design with what they call blast suction technology. This creates stronger airflow that pulls out hidden dust and pet hair that's deep inside the carpet fibers. Not just the surface level cleaning. So if you have pets, this is huge. It can extract fur that's embedded in rags and carpets that you didn't even know was there. And there is deep cleaning mode that automatically sends the robot around your space twice for even more thorough clean. First pass vacuums and mops, second pass ensures nothing was missed. This is perfect for high traffic areas or homes with kids and pets where there's constant mess. The mopping system got a complete redesign with the OZMO roller too, and here is why it's better. First off, it has a high density nylon strip that creates a scoring effect, so it's not just wiping, it's actively scrubbing at stubborn stains with downward pressure. Second, the roller extends 15 millimeters beyond the robot's body, and that means that it reaches edges, corners, and baseboards way better than the standard robot mops. And there is a AI stain detection too. The robot identifies stains and it cleanses and automatically adjusts its approach, so there is no cross-contamination spreading dirty water around. This means dried-on messes like coffee spills, food stains, tracked in dirt can actually be cleaned by the robot. Not just surface moisture, but actual scrubbing action. The base station has dual cleaning solution tanks. This gives you options depending on what you are dealing with. Tank 1 is for daily cleaning formula, so regular maintenance, and light tank 2 is for heavy duty formula, so kitchen grease, bathroom grime, stubborn dried-on stains. You can purchase the cleaning solutions separately and fill whichever tank matches your needs. So for everyday cleaning, just use the daily formula, but for deep cleaning days or when you're dealing with major messes, just switch to heavy duty. This customization means you're always using the right cleaning for the job. So not overkill on light cleaning and not underpowered on stains. The S20 uses advanced mapping technology with onboard sensors and cameras to create a detailed floor plan of your home. Unfortunately, it does not allow you to turn on the camera and just kind of spy around your home, which for me is a con because I love to use the camera just to check on my pet or just see where it is. But the S20 maps your space on the first run, then you can customize it in the Yeedi Home app, label rooms, create no-go zones, set virtual boundaries, whatever you need. If you have delicate floors, the main brush adjusts to prevent any spills or scratches. The system handles floor transitions up to 0.9 inches high and tracks 1.6 inches wide. So high pile racks, door thresholds, floor transitions, it navigates all without getting stuck. Now, the OmniCyclone station is where all the automation happens. It's completely bagless, which is great for everyone out there who just don't want to spend extra money to buy the bags for all the vacuums. After each cleaning session, the robot returns to the base and automatically empties its onboard bin into the station's large collection bin. Here's the key advantage. So, like I said, no disposable bags ever, no more dealing with the nasty smell from those dust bags, because you can just empty the collection bin anytime you want. So you can just tip the bin into the trash when it's full or when you feel like it. And that saves approximately from $150 to $200 over 3 years compared to the robots that require replacement bags. Plus, it's more environmentally friendly with less waste. The base also does hot water mop washing at 75 degrees Celsius, so that's about 167 degrees Fahrenheit, so hot enough to sanitize and break down bacteria. Then it does warm air drying to completely dry the roller and prevent any mildew or from developing. So the mop is always clean and sanitary for the next cleaning session. No awful smells build up over time. It's great. The S22 has zero tangle technology with a V-shaped roller brush designed specifically to prevent hair tangles. If you have long hair or pets or just multiple people in your home, hair tangles are usually a nightmare with robot vacuums. It would take me so long every single week to clean those hair from those both brushes on robot vacuums. So with these specific zero tangle brushes, you don't have to deal with it. You don't have to cut your hair out of those brushes constantly. It's a game changer. I love it. And yeah, the V-shaped design guides hair to the sides instead of wrapping around the center. So maintenance is just reduced dramatically. You still need to clean the brushes occasionally, obviously, but it's just way less frequent and it's also a lot easier than with traditional designs. The S20 offers multiple cleaning modes depending on what you need. Vacuum and mop at the same time for complete cleaning in one pass, or vacuum first, then mop for two-stage cleaning when you want maximum thoroughness, or just vacuum only if you need dust and debris removed without mopping. You can also adjust power levels, lower for quieter operation or higher for max cleaning power. The flexibility means the robot adapts to your needs rather than forcing you into one cleaning method. I do wish there was also a mop only mode. It is usually standard on auto robot vacuums. Unfortunately, Yeedi does not offer it at this time. I really hope they do add this because I often want to vacuum my home and then just mop specific areas without vacuuming, so I can really do multiple passes. If you use my code, you can get 1 bottle of heavy-duty cleaning solution for free with your purchase. If you have a larger home and you are tired of robot vacuums that cannot finish the job without multiple charging sessions, the S20 Infinity is designed specifically to solve this problem. And that's everything you need to know about this robot. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye!